now let us look into redo statement. So redo is redoing the same iteration in the loop. So suppose for I in 1 to 10, put as I, and let us say redo here itself end. So what will be the output? It will be redoing the same iteration until it is finished. So when we press enter, see, it is doing the same iteration infinity times. So let us see one more example. Until we close it, it will be doing the same thing. Puts I, and now let us say if I is equal to 4, then print, let us say redo first, redo, and puts, let us redo end. See here, whenever the I comes become 4, it will be in the infinity loop. So infinity loop is also useful. So suppose you might have seen the mobile games. Whenever you play a game, whenever you press play, you will be inside infinity loop. Until you close the game, you will be inside the game. So infinity loop is also a very useful thing. So you can use redo according to the requirement. So suppose let us say for I in 1 to 10, first puts I, and if I equal to let us say 5, or suppose user entered the number 5 in the option, or user pressed the play button. So what should happen? Let us say puts enter your name. Suppose we are entering the database, it should be in infinity loop. So, and we will get name is equal to from gets, and we are printing the name is from name. So this will be done only once. So if you redo, it will be infinity end. So now see, until 5 it is printed. These are you can imagine like some other, like before playing the game you will be choosing the player, choosing the dress of the player, choosing your vehicle, and now if you enter or click the play button, you are into the game infinity loop. And now we can enter, like suppose we are filling the database with the names Peter, the name is Peter, again it is asking. Now John, again it is asking. Like this you can also use it. So until you close the application, it will be inside the infinity loop. So redo is rarely used, but for the case of course I am explaining it. Hope you understood. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.